Hello everyone. Welcome back to the channel Jet Zone Mix. Today we are exploring one of the most fascinating aircraft ever built, the Tupolev Tu-144, a jet that aimed to redefine air travel and compete with the world-famous Concorde. The Tu-144 was not just an airplane, it was a bold statement of Soviet engineering power, ambition, and innovation during the height of the Cold War. Known as the world's first supersonic passenger jet, this aircraft achieved what was once thought impossible, carrying civilians at twice the speed of sound. The exterior of the Tupolev Tu-144 was designed to conquer the skies with both beauty and precision. Its sleek delta-shaped wings stretched gracefully from its long, slender fuselage, optimized to slice through the air at supersonic speeds. The jet had a sharply pointed nose that could droop downward during takeoff and landing to give pilots better visibility. This feature became one of the most distinctive and recognizable traits of the aircraft. Measuring around 65 meters in length and built with a polished metallic finish, the Tu-144 looked like something from the future. Every line, curve, and detail on its surface reflected an obsession with speed and aerodynamic performance. Inside the cabin, the Tu-144 offered a glimpse of luxury mixed with practicality. It could carry around 120 passengers who were lucky enough to experience the thrill of supersonic travel. The interior wasn't overly spacious, as the jet's narrow fuselage limited room, but it provided a comfortable and futuristic flying experience for its time. The seats were designed for comfort during high-speed journeys, and passengers could feel a sense of pride knowing they were flying faster than any other commercial aircraft in the world. Despite the noise from the powerful engines, the experience of soaring through the stratosphere at over twice the speed of sound was unforgettable. Performance was where the Tu-144 truly excelled. It was equipped with 4 powerful turbojet engines, capable of propelling the aircraft to speeds of more than Mach 2.15, which is over 2,300 kilometers per hour. The jet could reach altitudes above 60,000 feet, allowing it to travel well above traditional airliners. Its range varied between 3,000 and 6,500 kilometers, depending on its load and configuration. For its time, these numbers were extraordinary. The Tu-144 was an aircraft that combined raw power with cutting-edge aerodynamics, proving that Soviet technology could match, and even surpass, Western innovation in certain aspects. In terms of safety features, the Tu-144 was both advanced and experimental. It included multiple redundant systems to ensure continued operation if one system failed, and its structure was reinforced to handle extreme flight conditions at supersonic speeds. However, its development was rushed to beat the Concorde into service, and this haste led to several technical challenges. The tragic crash at the 1973 Paris Air Show raised concerns about the aircraft's reliability, and even though engineers made continuous improvements, its reputation never fully recovered. Still, every subsequent modification added more stability and enhanced safety, showing the engineers' dedication to mastering this revolutionary concept. The unique selling points of the Tu-144 were its firsts and innovations. It was the first passenger aircraft to break the sound barrier and the first to reach Mach 2 in commercial configuration. The inclusion of retractable canards on the front fuselage helped with control during takeoff and landing, an innovation later admired by aircraft designers worldwide. Its droop nose design, incredible speed, and advanced engineering made it a technological icon. For the Soviet Union, it was a matter of national pride, a demonstration of scientific and industrial capability that inspired awe across the globe. The Tu-144's price was never officially disclosed, as it was a state project, but estimates place its cost around $200 million in modern value. This figure represented not just the expense of construction but also the vast resources spent on research, testing, and development. The high cost of operation, combined with limited range and reliability issues, made it economically unfeasible for long-term service. Only a few aircraft were ever produced, and its commercial career was short-lived, though it continued to serve as a test platform for experimental aviation technologies. In conclusion, the Tupolev Tu-144 remains one of the most remarkable aircraft ever built. It symbolized a daring vision to revolutionize passenger travel by blending power, technology, and human ambition. Even though its operational life was brief, it opened new frontiers in supersonic flight and inspired future generations of engineers to dream bigger. The Tu-144 was more than a jet. It was a bold experiment that defined an era of innovation and competition. Its legacy continues to remind us that pushing the limits of possibility often comes with both triumph and sacrifice. Thank you for watching Jet Zone Mix, and make sure to like, share, and subscribe for more incredible stories from the world of aviation.